Good morning students. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today we are going to start next topic of chapter 4th, that is structure of atom, page number 40. This structure of atom is given by Rutherford and Bohr. They told us that atom consists of positively charged core called nucleus. Atom has positive charge core, positive part, that is known as nucleus. Second point, the entire mass of atom is present inside the nucleus. So in nucleus the total mass of atom is present. Because it is positive charge, entire mass is present in it, so it consists of protons and neutrons. Clear? In nucleus protons and neutrons both are present. Next, if we talk about nucleus of hydrogen, it has only one proton and no neutron, so it consists of only one proton. Next is in atom, the nucleus is surrounded by electron moving around it in fixed orbits, just like planet do around the sun in solar system. Here, in around the nucleus, electrons are revolving in these shells, just like planet revolve around the sun. Okay, जैसे planet sun के around revolve करते हैं, उसी तरीके से in atom the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Because atom is neutral, so number of proton and number of electron both are equal. Number of proton are present inside nucleus and number of electron are surrounding the nucleus. They both are equal. Next is the orbit of electrons are called KLMN or 1, 2, 3, 4. Here these orbitals, they are called K, L, M, N and so on, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear this structure of atom? Next topic is atomic number. It is denoted by Z. It is equal to number of proton present inside the nucleus. Okay, so atomic number is equal to number of proton present inside the nucleus. But we know that number of protons are equal to number of electron. So atomic number is also equal to number of electrons present outside the nucleus. Next is mass number. It is denoted by A. Okay, it is equal to the sum of number of proton and number of neutron. ठीक है, mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. It is equal to sum of protons and neutrons. Okay, here in this table some examples of elements are given. For example, hydrogen, its atomic number is 1, mass number is 1. Because number of electron and number of proton both are equal to atomic number, so it has 1 proton and 1 electron. But the sum of proton plus neutron is equal to mass number, so it has 1 minus 1, that is 0 neutron. If we talk about helium, its atomic number 2, mass number 4. So it has number of proton 2, electron 2 and neutron 4 minus 2, that is 2. Another example, look at the sodium. Its atomic number is 11, mass number is 23. So it has number of electron 11, number of proton 11 and number of neutron, that is 23 minus 11, that is 12. Clear? Next topic is formation of ions. Because atom, we know that atom is electrically neutral. Why it is neutral? Because it has equal number of electron and proton. But when atom lose or gain one or more electron, it gets charged. It gets electrical charged. The electrically charged particle that is formed when an atom lose or gain electron, that is called ion. So ion क्या है? When an atom lose or gain electron, then charge is produced. That particle is known as ion. Clear? Here, when an atom lose one or more electron, it is called positively charged ion. If it is going to lose its electron, it is known as positive charge, and positive charge ion is called cation. For example, sodium, by lose one electron, it lose one electron, it acquire a positive charge, that is known as cation. Because atomic number of sodium is 11, in first shell it has 2 electron, in second it has 8 electron, and in last shell it has only 1 electron. To become stable, it loses its 1 electron, so it has now 10 electron and it acquire positive charge. Okay, that is known as cation. When an atom gain one or more electron, negative charge ion is formed and it is known as anion. For example, chlorine. By gaining one electron, it can gain negative, Cl negative. Chlorine, it has 17 electron. Its atomic number is 7. So in first shell we take 2 electron, in second we take 8, and in third we take 7 electron. To acquire stability, it needs an electron, so it gain 1 electron, and it has now 18 electron, and it acquire a negative charge, that is known as anion. So by gaining, atom acquire negative charge, and by losing electron, it acquire positive charge. Clear? Next topic is radical. A molecule of any compound has two parts. It has two parts, one coming from acid and other coming from base. Okay? The part of molecule of any compound that coming from parent acid, that is known as acid radical, whereas that coming from parent base is known as a basic radical. जी any compound, कोई भी compound है, it has two parts, one is acid, one is base. So that comes from acid, that is known as acid radical, which comes from base, that is known as basic radical. Radical may be made up of one or more atoms of same or different elements. They are bonded to each other by covalent bond. It may carry positive or negative charge. Mainly जो basic radical है, they have positive charge. जो acid radical है, they have negative charge. So because they have positive charge, so they are called cation. Acid radicals have negative charge, so they are called anions. Clear? For example, if we talk about this compound NaCl, here Na, sodium, that comes from NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So it is a basic radical and it acquire positive charge. So it is cation. If we talk about this Cl negative, it comes from HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. It is acid radical, so it consists of a negative charge, so they are known as cation. Okay, anion. Okay, so basic radicals are known as cation, acidic radicals are mainly known as anions. Clear? There are some examples of basic radical, that is ammonium radical, sodium radical, acid radical, that is sulfate radical, phosphate radical, dichromate, chloride. Okay. Next, the radical which carry 1 unit charge, which has 1 unit charge, positive 1 or negative 1, that is monovalent. Which has 2 unit charge, like sulfate, SO4 2 negative, it is divalent. Which has 3 unit charge, it is known as trivalent, like phosphate, PO4 3 negative. Clear up to this? Okay, thank you.